So I took my GoPro Hero 7 out for the first time down to the Ogden Bike Park the other day, and the footage, I thought, looked really nice. However, the wind noise made the audio pretty bad. So I did a bit of snooping around online, and turns out you can get these little foam covers called wind slayers for the GoPro. They're not expensive. I think I got two for around $10, and they simply go over the camera and cuts down the noise that the microphones are picking up from the wind. There's also 3 options for you to choose from on your camera settings: wind only, stereo only, and auto, where it chooses between the wind microphone and the stereo microphones and just gives you whatever it thinks is best for that situation. Now, I've heard that it usually gets it wrong and is the worst option you can go for, but what we're going to do is we're going to put the foam cover around the camera and use all 3 options and see what gives us the best sound. Okay, audio test, wind slayer, and wind only mode. Gotta squish that to make it. Alrighty, that was wind mode. Stereo only mode, here we go. Alright, that was stereo mode. Go back and try one in wind. Sorry, try one in auto. Hero 7 with the wind slayer in auto mode, which I have heard is Latin for shite. Alright, wind in auto. Sorry, microphone in auto mode. So it's pretty clear that the wind slayer does a really good job of reducing the wind noise on the GoPro cameras, so I'll be keeping one on my camera for the foreseeable future. As far as settings on the camera itself go, my personal preference is the stereo only microphones. I just think it had a much better sound. The wind microphone seemed a bit dull and there was a funny low echo in there, and the auto mode switched between the two and ended up in the wind mode, which again I didn't really like. So there you go, that's what I got going on with my cameras, and thanks for watching, guys.